Hi guys, this is Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be the review of the new Pond's Micellar Water. Pond's India launched its micellar water range. They launched it in 3 different types. One is a charcoal, one is rose and one is the aloe vera one, and I got my hands on the aloe vera one. All of these retail for ₹2.99 for 250 ml of product, and I think these are all super affordable. If you compare it with L'Oreal or Maybelline micellar water, these are way more affordable and almost on par with the pricing of the Garnier micellar water, which is my all-time favorite. It comes in a packaging like this. This is a plastic bottle. It has a really nice and very clean cut packaging. I like it. It has all the information at the back with the pricing and everything. It seems like a really nice handy packaging. It's not really bulky like the Garnier one. This is waterproof makeup remover as well. So this one removes normal makeup as well as waterproof makeup. This says this is 100% alcohol free. It is non-oily and non-sticky and 5 times brightening power. It says refreshing cocktail of micellar water with 5 essential vitamins, that is vitamin A, B3, B5, C and E, and organic aloe vera extract to deep cleanse away makeup, dirt, impurities, sunscreen while hydrating skin. My face is completely filled with makeup. Now I have a waterproof mascara and I want to check out whether that is removed with this or not. So I have these cotton pads here which are to remove makeup. This has a light floral aloe vera kind of a smell which is very pleasant. Makeup remover that I've used, all of them have been odorless, so it's very first for me to have like a fragrance kind of a makeup remover. I have a completely clean cotton pad here, so we'll start with this. I'm going to pour a little bit. Okay, we are going to start off with the eyes because that's the most sensitive part. You guys can immediately see the difference between my eyes. Okay. Now we are going to put off the highlighter. One swipe, it's coming out. Wow! Complete this side and this side foundation has come off. Also says that you don't need to cleanse your face after using this. This alone is sufficient. So we'll just put out everything here. The nose area is the worst because there's so much oil here, so much dirt. This is completely gone. So we are going to be checking out our waterproof mascara for sure. I'm really excited about that. The only problem is the nozzle itself. Though it's tiny, it does bring a lot of the product outside, so you need to be very careful. It's putting out a lot of product. Also, if it's on and I'm putting it, it kind of splashed all over, so just be careful with that. I'm going to press this like I generally do and hold it and do like this to see whether it's bringing out any mascara. Okay, it's not able to put off the mascara. No, it's trying hard. This spot here is the mascara. Generally, whenever I put micellar water, like for example the Garnier one or used or else the Bioderma one, it generally does not burn this side when I'm putting off my kajal, but this one just does a little bit. Maybe it's because of the fragrance, because of the chemical, I'm really not sure. It does like tingling, burning sensation, you do get it. So yeah, just be a little careful while using close to your eyes. So it put off my kajal really nice. I think it did very nicely put off my kajal. Mascara not so much. I don't know why they even write a claim like that. It's not going to be like completely clean when you're pulling off waterproof makeup. Let's pull out the last. Okay, this is how much of the makeup was left. For the overall texture, I really like this micellar water. It's very lightweight. The biggest thing that makes it different from the other micellar water are 2 different things. That's one thing is the fragrance. It's a little shock value to me because I've never really used a makeup remover with that much of a fragrance in it. It does leave you feeling a little more to have something on your face like a moisturizer or a cleanser. It's like an after feel. And apart from that, the second thing is the waterproof makeup thing. Like while I was obviously putting off the waterproof makeup, I was like, oh, it did not put it out. But I'll tell you what, for one thing, waterproof makeup is not easy to put off, okay? You need an oil base for it. So I don't think it does have an oil base, though it does say it removes waterproof makeup. So I'm not really sure how that works out. It did try to put it off as much as it could. I think that's commendable and I like that aspect. The packaging is good, the pricing is really attractive. And for people who have never used a micellar water, go and grab this and test it for yourself. This product was purchased from Amazon by me. So this product is available online at Amazon currently. So I will be linking down if I can find it out on Nykaa and all those places. So overall, I think this is a great micellar water. I wouldn't say this is the best one, but this one did work pretty well. I think for this product to grow on me, I may need a little more time. It is a good product at the end of the day. So for my rating of this amazing new micellar water, I will be rating it a 4 out of 5. So with that, we are done with today's video. Hope you guys really liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you guys have not followed me on social media, all the links will be down in the description box below. You can also give me any video requests, anything you want to ask, any queries. Go ahead, put it down in the comment section below. So with that, we are done with today's video. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week ahead. So stay happy, stay healthy, stay smiling, stay beautiful. Ciao!